Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be playing Roblox. Sorry if I haven't posted in a while because school is always keeping me busy and don't mind that. It was a dare, okay? It was a dare. I swear it was a dare. My friend says play Dress to Impress or else you're gay, and I hate gay people for some reason. But okay, fine. Let's just play Bee Swarm, okay? Why the loading screen gotta be so long, bro? Speed up! The heck? Okay, there it is. It's, like my goal for this video, I guess, is to get like 60 million honey, which is gonna be quite impossible if I don't, make another video about it. So I might not accomplish that goal in this video, but let's just see if I can at least complete like 40 million. Okay, what quests to do? I guess I'll go to the cactus field because that's where my next quest from Science Bear is. For some reason, Science Bear is always so demanding. Bro, my glider didn't work. Skill issue. My glider's a scam. Didn't work. Trust me. Fireflies. Bees. Kill a werewolf. Werewolves cringe. Two tickets. I need one. Sorry, I didn't know how to count. Only one ticket. Royal jelly. Music so loud. Wait, let me lower the music. That's better. Might as well just summon a honey storms. I glitched honey storm to get more honey, but it's just really low. King Beetle spawn. Wait, let me check on King Beetle. He might spawn. Probably will. He didn't. Did y'all just kill the Rhino Beetle? Okay, no, you didn't. Kill him. Kill him. Gumdrops. Like gumdrops. Gumdrops is nice. Yo, what hive color is this? Looks like he's mixed. He's mixed. How about this guy? Mixed too. Well, I'm planning on being mixed. So as you can see, I have one, two, three, four gifteds, and I have the broad star amulet, silver, amulet, and then the moon amulet. That's what it's called. Wait, yeah, the moon amulet. Both of them have really good boosts. So I really want to save up for photon, but I don't have enough tickets because I just bought Tabby Via, as you can see right there. And I bought one extra hive slot. And I'm trying to beat Tunnel Bear, but as you can see, Tunnel, I really need to work on my. I'm good at English, but that just keeps stuttering. Tunnel Bear is way out of my level. Wait, let's see. He's level 9, so all my attacks miss, except for some. Some of my bees are level 8. But Bulgar's level 9, so some of them are gonna miss. 9k health, okay, Nabo. Exit. Where's the tunnel? Oh, come on, why did it have to be coconut? Oh, there's on it. On it. but I'm not interested. Just finish my quest for a while. Let's check up a polar bear. I can't even taste your food, bro. How can I know it's yummy? All I hear, all I heard was yapping. Did I summon a honey storm? Yeah, after I submit my quest. Four more quests for silver. Bro, this was the same exact quest from like 5 days ago, but just more. 1 mil. Looks like I'll be grinding for a while. Wait, let me check up on some boosts. I mean codes. For these. And I use Microsoft, of course, because for some reason I think Microsoft is better than Google. But just answer me already. The heck? Answer. I already redeemed that once. It doesn't work. Weak extension. Seems nice. Weak extension. Fine. Nice. 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 Okay. What's this? Robo Party. Sweet. I'll go to Strawberry Field because I need red pollen. Sprinkler. I still have the basic sprinkler because I don't want the silver ones. Just a waste of money. Sprinklers aren't really that important except for growing flowers. I mean, sprinklers, the basic sprinkle does the exact same thing but with less range and less cooldown. But it's still the same thing, you know? So I release that. I really don't like buying new sprinklers. I keep stuttering. I don't know why. New sprinklers because I think they're just a waste of money. Because I'm kind of low on honey. If I do, I'll get like 10 million, and I can't do that if I'm saving up for like what was that again? I said 40 million. Yeah, 40 million. Hey guys, rate my avatar. Rate my avatar. I'm not in my alt. I'm in my main actually. So that's why I have all these stuff and the bees. That's why. But I'll play on my alt sometimes from time to time. Or new stuff. Oh, it's an end game. Mid or end. It really depends if it has Demon Master or not. He's end game. Around end game. Probably end game. Fuzzy balls. Gumdrops. Gimme gum. Gimme gumdrops. Gimme honey. Spawn more. Spawn more right now. You're, you should be lucky you're included in my video. Should be lucky. Am I still recording? Okay, I'm still recording. Okay, I'm still recording. I thought I stopped recording for a while. Hey, I even eat. Okay, at least I'm happy. Wait, I'm looking for red pollen. Judging by that, I have a lot of red pollen. I mean red booze because of I have so many red bees. Like 25% of my hive are red bee. Why mushroom? Out of all places, why mushroom? Just